Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making some DIY deer crack. It's just where you put a bunch of stuff together that's good for deer and that deer like. I'm sure everybody makes it different, but this is my first time making it, so I'm going to show you what all I got to put in it. So first, I got this jar of peanut butter. It really don't have to be a certain kind of peanut butter, just peanut butter. Next thing I got is salt. It doesn't have to be a Pacific brand. I just got the cheapest kind I could find. Next thing I got is brown sugar. I have seen some people use granulated sugar, but this was just cheaper, so I went with this. The next thing I got is dark corn syrup. I really don't know the reason for this, but I've seen some other people put some dark corn syrup in their deer crack, so I figured I'd put some in mine. It's got a lot of sodium in it, so that probably helps deers a lot. Deers like salt. The next thing I got is deer cane mineral. It's just a bunch of mineral that I'm going to put in there and mix with it. I haven't seen anybody put mineral like a deer cane like this in deer crack, but I guess I could be the first one. So I thought the deers might like it, so I'm going to put that in there. Last but not least, and probably the most important ingredient, is corn. I got apple flavored corn. Just to put a little more flavoring in there, and because it's a little cheaper. We're going to put all this in a tote and mix it up. We're going to put about half of the ingredients in at a time, mix it up, and then put the other half in. So let's get started. So guys, this is what it looks like. We're going to take this here in a few minutes and put this out and see how well the deer like it. So stay tuned. We're going to dump this out, come back in a few days and see if it's all gone. We're walking down right here to check the corn that we put out a few days ago. Well, actually the DIY deer crack. And it looks like it has been messed with. A bunch of it's gone, or probably about half of it's gone. So we're going to check the trail camera right there, see what we got. This is a KG trail camera right here. I'll check it. We're just going to take the SIM card out and take it back home and check it on a computer. See, I dropped it, guys. We don't want to lose that. There we go. I'll put the other one in, and we'll see what we got on this when we get back home. Right there's us putting out the deer crack, and then that night we had some does come through to check everything out. They seem to like it. There's 2 does that looks to be pretty good does. There's a button buck and its mama sniffing around. There's 3 does in one picture. Actually, I think one of them was a button buck. And then some turkeys came through, and there's us coming back to check the trail camera. Well, guys, this is the second time we've come and checked this deer crack, and as you can tell, more of it's gone. So we're going to take the SIM card out again, check the camera, and see what we got. Right there, the button buck and its mama came back. And then the turkeys came back and ate some more. And then right here we got our first buck. A nice little 8-point. He sniffed around and then he decided to leave. And he should be a shooter in a couple of years. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, we had several deer. Most of them was does. We had one kind of nice 8-point. Most of the deer that came to the deer crack came back. I know they weren't that many bucks, but hopefully once I start using it more, they will come back to it and we'll have a lot more bucks. But anyway, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 750 subscribers by Christmas, so I hope you enjoyed it. Go check out my other videos. I got like 100 other videos on my channel if you want to check that out. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think I should test out next, and we will see you on the next one.